Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Lots of households have robotic vacuums whirring around floors helping to clean up. How about a robotic device that can fold your laundry? FoldiMate is the name of a company based in Israel that's turning the idea into a reality. Founder Gal Rozov showed it to us at this year's Consumer Electronics Show.
So it's very simple. All you have to do is take an item. It can be shirts, pants, towels, and even pillowcases. Clip it onto FoldiMate, and within under 5 minutes, you can get through an entire laundry load.
What's going on inside? How does this work?
So it's a proprietary technology that we developed that allows us to identify the items such that it will optimally fold them for you.
Rozov's goal is to have it on the market by year's end for under $1,000. Check out FoldiMate.com for more. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.